Hey guys, it's Christmas Eve here and happy Christmas Eve holidays. Merry Christmas to all of you guys. So today I did have two packages, well, three, come in. And so I thought we would look at them. Oh, okay. So I forgot that I had ordered this. So this is some washi tape. I saw someone pick up something similar to this, so but theirs was from overseas, and so I thought that I would check and see if we had anything close to it, and I thought that these were really pretty. This is a different feel to this than I thought it would be. Thought I would share that. I think that's pretty. All right, and then we got this one. It's not much on this roll. I want to say this whole set was like $7 or $8. And oh, I guess that's some kind of mistake there. All right, and then we got this little tiny one. And we got this one. Seems like this is not great quality, but it's pretty. Okay, and then we got this one. Let's see if I can open this one right quick. All right, I hope you guys are having a great holiday. It's pretty. And then we'll take a look at this one. Oh, there's some really torturous temperatures out for some of you guys. Here, it's about 28, 29 degrees, so we're doing good compared to what some of you other guys are dealing with. I hope y'all are staying warm and staying safe. I hope you have power. It's got to be awful to deal with these type of temperatures and no power. All right, and then this one, I hope that this is that fountain pen, my long lost fountain pen. So I did get in contact with Amazon. If you guys remember my little struggle, yes, this should be it. And then it's all beat up looking, and it looks like somebody taped this back together. Okay, I'm just going to breathe. So I kept, I ordered this and then it either got lost or I think they sent me the wrong thing. And then I complained. I told them it didn't show up, and so they sent me another one. It had this barcode on it that said it was a pen, but it was actually a notebook. Good thing for me, it was a Midori notebook, and it was a nice notebook. So when I had to call and actually speak to a human being, and she told me to go ahead and keep the notebook, and that they would refund my money. So instead of ordering the exact same thing again, because I did not want that to happen again, I went ahead and I ordered the same pen, but I ordered it in a different color. And it was actually a couple of dollars cheaper. But like I can't remember if I ordered a light blue in the first time and then ordered a dark blue the second time, or vice versa. But we will see. Keep your fingers crossed that this is actually the pen. I am not holding out a lot of hope here, because this this box makes me a little nervous here. Okay, so here is the elusive pen. Doesn't look like much, does it? But Yeah, it looks cute. So the other one, I must have ordered a dark blue one at first and ended up reordering a light blue one. But anyway, because I thought I ordered a light blue one in the first place. But anyway, I will link it below, and I will link this one, not the other one, so you get a Midori notebook. But we get an ink cartridge, and let's see. We get the pen itself. So I have a Prera, but it's a metal body pen, and so I wanted to try this one. I love the version that I have, so I thought I would try this one. All right. So I'm happy. I finally get my pen. All right. So that saga is over. Let's see. Did we look at this? Okay, it's just some instructions. All right. Yay, I finally got what I ordered. Okay. And then I was watching another YouTuber, of course, and she was using the acrylic. She was putting like her washi tapes and stuff in an acrylic container, and I thought, I wonder if my acrylographs would go in here. So I went ahead and ordered 2. They weren't expensive. I want to say they were like $10 a piece. I will link it below. And so I am going to open one of them because they're the exact same thing. All right. So that's the description. Oh, I was hoping I didn't get this in the way. Sorry about that. My phone was actually dead. I was over some relative's house and I was videoing like crazy and my phone died. And I wanted to go ahead and do this while I went to bed. All right. Very, very nice. So I'm trying to think if I followed a link on this or if I just researched it myself. But anyway, so I tried to make sure that it was going to be long enough for the acrylographs that I have. From Archer and Olive. So I have those. And these, I have quite a few of these. And so I wanted something that, oops, got this upside down. There we go. Now let's see if this is going to work. So I, before I bought it, I did look at the dimensions. Yeah, I mean, that just fits. All right. So, and then I have these other ones that I got from Tuesday morning. Let's see. It would have been nice if I could have put the whole thing in there. Okay. so they fit too. Just in case you guys are looking for something too. So these will be big enough for all my pens. All the acrylographs that I have. All right. And then I just have one other thing to share. I went to Dollar Tree today to get some last minute gift bags. You know, do some last minute wrapping of presents. And I came across these. Now, I don't get any Dollar Tree hauls in my feed anymore. And so I didn't know that they had these. Now, this might not be new to you guys, but it was new to me. And so I thought I would share it. And I thought I would share what I'm going to do with it. So I just got a bunch of Simply Gilded washi tapes. And I just put it in this Dollar Tree Tupperware-like thing. And so I thought maybe I would take these out and put it in here. I don't know if I like that better, but I'm gonna give it a try. And then this, I'm not sure what I'll put in here, but we'll see. But I'm most likely I'm not gonna put what is supposed to be in there. Like, now this is just plastic, you know, you get it over there with the party supplies. But I thought that was interesting, and so I thought that I would share that. All right, I think that is it. Y'all have a wonderful, safe Christmas, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.